Hello everybody, thank you for joining us this fine day. Today we will be doing a quick sketch of the anatomy of the hand, but we will be showing how to go about it in the easiest fashion when we are constructing a hand. So if you have that oval down, could be a circle, then right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these actually represent the knuckles in this case. That is the back of the hand. So if we imagine the hand is like somewhat like that from an angle, we would have it going that way. And then I would put in curves like that, circles. So curves and circles, curve, curve. And then an oval right here behind. And that is the thumb. So it looks like a spider kind of right here. But that is my basic way of just putting down the anatomy of a hand. So that's oval. These and these will help you construct the hand pretty much in any pose that you wish to go with. But of course, the other elements, for example, how fleshy this part is, how bony the fingers are in between the joints, how much the knuckles are prominent, and how small each finger is in proximity to the other. These are all details that actually vary from hand to hand. So you will have to do a lot of exploring. You have to do a lot of, let's say, you'll have to do a lot of research into how to best put down the preferred hand for whatever illustration or whatever purpose you are trying to create it for. But that is the very basic of doing it. So now here I'm just putting in some details as we see normally on our hands. So those famous skin folds, nails at whatever angle the finger is. And then of course all the other details, they vary according to what the pose is and what the angle is. And of course the most important aspect, once you have all that down, is what kind of shading you're putting in, what kind of light source you're working with, and how dark or how light different areas are in the hand. So as you see that although this is not necessarily an inking exercise, but I'm just putting in some random shading so that this can have a little more life as we are moving along toward finishing it. So this was very quickly done, but that is the very basic method of putting down a hand. Okay, so what you do need to do is you need to Google lots of illustrations, lots of images, and just check out different hands and have fun practicing. Please let us have your comments and your suggestions. We would love to hear from you. We would love to have you around. Please do subscribe and keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.